It's amazing, eh?
Yeah. Check his head.
He's coming out, eh?
Yeah. Put him on the ground. Come on.
Put him on.
Yeah, just put him facing the bush. Yeah. So you can, yeah, but then you can watch him come out.